Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and gathering what you need: an original Lightning cable or a reliable Bluetooth link. On your iPhone, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then open Settings, right arrow General, right arrow CarPlay. On the Scorpio N Z2, set the infotainment to Bluetooth or USB CarPlay mode. This begins the handshake. Once done, plug the cable or search for the stereo from your iPhone's Bluetooth list. This immediate pairing step initiates authorization, so the head unit can display app. You now complete the connection and configure features. On the Z2, tap CarPlay when it appears. Accept any prompts on both devices. Make sure to grant permission for contacts, maps, and microphone, otherwise Siri and calling won't work. In the CarPlay settings, choose whether audio goes to car speakers or phone and adjust screen orientation if the unit supports it. This ensures correct controls and visibility. Once configured, test Siri and navigation quickly to verify responsiveness before you drive. Finish by running a quick checklist. Start a maps route, call a contact, play music, and invoke Siri. If icons are missing or audio drops, disconnect, restart both your iPhone and the Scorpio N Z2, then reconnect. Often a reboot clears handshake errors. If problems persist, check for iOS or Z2 firmware updates and install them. Updates fix compatibility. That lone troubleshooting tip, reboot first, solves most glitches quickly, so try it before deeper diagnostics or cable replacement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.